Hi, this is Adriana, and this video is on the CEO Salomon training by Mark Hoverson, and this is about the 21 ancient secrets for leadership. And these are the first three, and they're based on Proverbs 15:19. And as you know, King Solomon, which he was a son of King David, and King Solomon was most known, he was famous for his wisdom. So on Proverbs 15:19 it reads, "The way of a lazy man is like a hedge of thorns, but the way of the upright is a highway." So on the first one, it talks about the attitude of expectancy and how there are blocks in ourselves also when we go to when we get to a certain level in income, and what blocks us and what we can do about it. And the second one, crafting for kings, it talks about the influencers, or how to get to the right people. And the third one, it's about gods. It's called gods, and he explains about mindset, biochemistry of the body, and very very interesting things. So he goes in detail on each one of them, and he explains that once you apply these secrets, you can start seeing amazing results, and very fast. So if you want to learn more about this type of trainings, just go click in the link, and you'll find more about these secrets and how you can apply them. Thank you for watching. Bye.